In this video we'll see how you can update the display picture as well as business profile for your WhatsApp API number. Click on view icon, click on business profile, and then click on this image icon. Please note the extension of the image should be PNG or JPEG, and it should be a square image minimum of 256 into 256 pixels, and then select the same. Once the display picture has been set, you can also update your email ID that would appear in the WhatsApp business profile as well as the other details. Thank you.